My claim to fame was working as the human capital team lead for space shuttle retirement. In 2010, President Bush mandated that the space shuttle be retired after 2 loss-of-life accidents, because life is important, because we're humans. And he recognized that something had to be done differently. So now we're outsourcing space transportation to the billionaires, but it's working. So, putting the human back into human resources, navigating this journey that we're on from what? Recruitment to retirement. This side gets 1 point on the board. Catch up, people. From recruitment to retirement. So, putting the human back looks like this. Cultivating human potential. My friend's definition, she said, contractual transactions for enjoyable, engaging, all of that designed to do, number 1, cultivating the human potential. Changes and opportunities of prioritizing, I'm gonna say this slow, people over processes. Put the people first, and guess what happens? The profits follow. For all of you in HR, you write these blogs, how does HR get a seat at the table? She said, I'm so tired of those. I agree. We get the seat at the table by proving our value, and we know that all corporations care about the bottom line. So when you prioritize people over profits, what you're going to find is people first, PF, I love words, profits follow. PF, note takers. People first, profits follow. So prioritizing people over processes. And how are we going to put this human back into human resources? We're going to focus on 5 things. Hearing, understanding, motivating, adapting, and nurturing.